Welcome to Cradle Forge, everyone. Today we'll be making a Rambo knife out of a lawnmower blade, a Giant Rambo knife, for a man named Dan. There's a picture of Dan with the blade. He was very happy. I was very happy because Dan gave me this giant pile of lawnmower blades to work with a couple of years ago. So now I'm unveiling this episode once again. So enjoy the video. Don't be alarmed when I suddenly grow more facial hair. It's just because the video is old. And let's get down to business. This big knife-shaped object, we're going to make some cuts. Giant-sized Rambo-type knife with the saw, mind you. The saw that's so brutal it might actually work. I remember some older gentleman saying that putting a saw on the back of, it was the guy who made these knives, and he's like, putting a saw on the back of a knife is completely asinine. I think that's what he said. He's like, let's see if we just putting a bigger saw on a bigger blade is asinine. Maybe it'll work. I think it will, because geez, good lord. Not only are they teeth, but I tapered them to points. Heat this sucker up and give it some texture. As you can see, it is absolutely ridiculous. I've made some more cuts, getting that handle out, rounding that off. Now I'm sick of fucking grinding. Now I'm sick of the cutting wheels drive me nuts. I'm just gonna hot chisel that off. Alright, now it's time to profile this a little more. Going all the way back upstairs and in the house for a freaking C-clamp. We'll just do that. Man, I have beaten the fucking life out of my drill bits. Now my video won't be suitable for most advertisers because I've slipped a fuck in there. What? I got a question. How many fucks am I entitled to in a video? Like, before it becomes rated R or whatever. I don't know. It would be nice to find out. Now we're going to come in and try to give it a ridiculous hollow grind. Alright, I'm going to let the grinder cool down. I've been going at it for quite a while and it's hot. I got about that far. You can see what I'm dealing with, the thickness. But right now it's not even a hollow grind yet. We're going to work on that after I get this a straight edge like this all the way down, and then I'll know to start going up here and then in, letting it cut in. So I got this big hollow grind, but this is going to be shiny here, the teeth and the false edge, so it'll just be like a little strip of this rough crap. Alright, so I did a bunch of grinding. Got the blade on there, pretty good. Got the teeth sharpened, got the false edges, and got the tip. Still in a dull shape because I'm going to take it now on the giant grinder wheel and make it really nice. You see how smooth that is from the stone? Perfectly straight and stuff. Right. You see that stone? Those stones, I told you, they're A number one. Let's chop something. Here we have what's left of a very old telephone pole. And the reason why this petrified kind of wood is still around is because it's soaked with all sorts of ungodly chemicals that if you burned this, it would kill you. Like arsenic, a lot of bad stuff. That's some pretty tough stuff. But a good shot. Oh yeah. If this stuff wasn't so tough, I'd have split that log right in half. That's some like... Hello, and welcome to my other shed. We have this old stagnant rope. Very tough looking. Very... We have a big knife. That rope smells like oil for some reason. Huh, I can't believe it's still sharp, that sharp after all that. Well, there you go. I hope you like it, Dan. If you don't want this, you want something smaller, that's okay. You can have something smaller. I'll just sell this to the highest bidder. Gotta be careful with that, man, because if it touches your arm, slice! I've already gotten it on the palm. Yes, indeed. Thanks for watching.